I don't know about you, but in my house, underneath the bathroom sink is a hot mess. Let's get it together. Let's go. I'm gonna start today's process by removing everything under the bathroom vanity. Then I'm gonna give the area a good wipe down because it hasn't been done in quite some time. I call this bin my product graveyard. Everything that didn't work for me. Can I get real for a minute? Stress, alopecia, and postmenopausal hair thinning is a real thing. And I have tried every product that you could possibly imagine, and it didn't work for me. So this area has become a graveyard catch-all for all the products that didn't work. But today, I'm here to tell you, I'm getting rid of all of this mess that I don't use. So sit back and relax while I get this area cleaned up. Now this area is neat and clean, and I can find what I'm looking for. Everything is decluttered and has a place. Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures, where I love sharing my passion for decorating, DIYs, thrift flips, shopping hauls, everything purple, and so much more. So if you enjoy that type of content, honey, you have reached the right channel. Today I'm participating in the Out with the Old, In with the New open collaboration, hosted by Penny's Lifestyle Living. And myself and other co-hosts will all be linked in my description box below, as well as a link to the playlist. So check it out for some awesome cleaning inspiration. Now moving on to the drawers. The same process, I remove everything from the drawers, give it a good wipe down, and I go through and I check all of my expiration dates. I always keep bacitracin ointment and hydrocortisone cream because, as you know, I'm a foster parent and something is always itchy or scraped. So to be proactive, I always keep plenty of it on hand. On to the second drawer, I have deodorants, soaps, I don't know, just a whole bunch of stuff that has no rhyme or reason or being together. And I have all of these alcohol pads floating around in the bottom of the drawer. So after giving the area a good cleaning, I'm gonna use just some plastic baggies to get all of these things corralled and separated and some type of organization to them. And then I'm going to start to put everything back in the drawer. gonna keep it real right here, y'all. I have medication in here that has not been used in years, dating back to 2018. I should be shamed, but today I am going through it, and just like everything else in this vanity, I am decluttering the mess. So I'm gonna go through each and every bottle and remove everything that is expired. Thanks to the magic of editing, here we are at the reveal, and I'm so happy with how everything came out. Everything is neat, clean, and organized. I removed all of the outdated medication, emptied out the product graveyard of everything that I was no longer using, went through expiration dates on every single item, and got everything decluttered, and I'm so happy with it. Let me know what you think in those comments. Now, if you enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and give me a big thumbs up, and consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Thank you so much to Penny's Lifestyle Living. Thank you, Penny, for putting on this awesome annual collab. And thank you for taking the time to stop by and watch my video. So until next time.